Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the checkout option on Shopify app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to go to the Shopify website, and after that we have to create account, and after that we need to move the settings icon, and after clicking on the settings icon, as you can see, has the option for the checkout. So we have to click on the checkout option, and after clicking on the checkout option, as you can see, some details are provided here. Let's read them. Select what contact method customers use to check out. Customers will receive order and shipping notification configured in notification setting. You can change the notification setting. Now you have to choose that which method you want to use, phone number or email or only email. Then you have to choose the email and they show a link customer track their order. If you want to show them tracking link with their order, you can also do that. Require the customer log into the account for you can also adjust this. So I'm gonna cutting this one as well. So as you can see, customer information, which information you want to show them, first or the last name. As you can see, these all details are provided here. Company name optional, required. These all things are provided here. You have to choose the options, and after choosing these options, customer will check out the orders according to that. They will be shown the details you have mentioned, the details you have selected, and after that you have to hit the save, and and these all settings will be saved. So in this way, you can use the checkout option for on the Shopify app. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.